So this hairstyle is easily achievable by anyone that has short hair, short like mine or shorter than mine. Also, this is a hot comb situation. But yeah, that's just by the way. So yeah, don't fret, don't shiver because you think your hair is too short. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you want to learn how to achieve this African threading technique with me, keep watching. If you're new here, my name is Massey. If you aren't, then you already know. So today's video is going to be a super simple one. I'm going to be teaching you guys how to do the African threading method. This serves as a protective hairstyle, number one. Number two, it serves as a base for, crochet. And also, if you're feeling too lazy to have your cornrows done, or if your hair is too short to, achieve cornrows, you can do this and then have a flawless base for your wig caps and whatever you have. Okay, yeah, so without much talk, let's get into the video. But before we get into the video, make sure you subscribe because I'd really appreciate it if you do. Like the video, share this to all the girlies that need it, and leave a cute comment. Make sure you detangle your hair, and when you're detangling your hair, make sure your hair is moisturized. And to lock moisture in my hair, I did the LOC method. That is leave-in conditioner oil and cream. If you guys want to see a video on that, leave it in the comment section below. And if you can just have a spray bottle on the side and keep spraying your hair so it gets damp, and then you can easily work with it. Okay, so the main thing we'll be using today is wool. If you want, you can use yarn or thread or whatever you're comfortable tying your hair with. But yeah, with the thread, you have to double or triple align it before you tie it. But this is thick enough, so you don't have to do much work. Okay, so now that we have detangled our hair, we're going to part it. And guys, parting your hair solely depends on you. If your hair is too short, you have to part it in a way that you can easily work with. I know how I want the patterns to be like, so I'm just gonna start from this side. But for beginner's sake, if you want a middle part, you have to do the middle part first and then clip it with claw clips or whatever, so it's easier to work with those sections. Okay, my bad guys. Okay, so start with an arm's length of thread. Guys, this is where you need to pay close attention to. So I'm just gonna make sure you tuck all the hairs into what you want to thread. Okay, so people use gel and whatnot, but I just want my hair to be breathable. I don't want a lot of things on my scalp, so I'm not using gel, but I'm tucking the hair in so that when I wrap around it, it is firm. So I didn't end this mainly because I want taking down this thing to be very easy. Okay, so now as I have a section, I'm gonna divide it into two this way, and then I'm gonna put this inside the section that I just created and divided, wrap around it. And guys, also this is a very nice way to stretch your hair without heat. But that's gonna take a long time though, because I can't imagine myself threading my whole hair and then removing it the next day. I would really vex. But yeah, if you want to stretch your hair without heat, I'd recommend this style. So this is how it should look. Basically like cornrow, but without braiding. You're welcome. I put you guys on it. Okay, so guys, I think the thread that I took is a bit too short. but I think for beginners it's ideal to have such a length so that it doesn't, you know, obstruct your view. Is that the right thing to say? It doesn't stress you from actually threading the hair, do you get? Because sometimes when the rope is long, it's difficult to work with. Guys, so I forgot to tell you, when you are grabbing the sections to wrap, make sure they're firm and not tight, because if you tighten it, you feel tension over there, and bro, sleeping with headache is not easy. So just try your possible best to have a firm grip but not a tight grip on your hair, okay? So that when you wrap, it's not painful. So you guys think, like, even though this looks firm, it's very kwaiwong basically. Okay, so now that I'm done with this side, I'm gonna show you guys how I do the back, okay? I think I might do a crochet style soon, so I want to do it this way so that I can easily hold up the crochet, you know, in case I want to do like an all up style or something, you know. So just see, I feel like I'm talking too much, so just watch. So we're halfway through, guys. I'm so happy. This is how it looks. I'm just quickly gonna finish that off camera and I'm gonna show you guys how it looks. And honestly, like, this is so convenient and pain-free. Okay, so I hope you guys learned a thing or two from this video. If so, give this video a thumbs up, guys. Make sure you subscribe. It will mean the world to me. Send this video to all the girlies and try this hairstyle if you're able to, or if you like it. Let me know in the comment section below. Yeah, so check the description for any other additional information that you guys need. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching my video. I appreciate you guys a ton, and yeah, see you in my next video.